What's going on, future entrepreneurs? We are back. We are back with another video about the COTPS system. This system is making strides. It's moving in the right direction. We still don't know how long it's going to last, but we still see that it's positive. Everything is going good. Everything is great over here. As you can see in my account, it's showing $4,062. And everything is going pretty good. So let's go over here. We're going to hit the refresh button so we can get the number for today. So we're going to give it a little minute to refresh. Sometimes my internet is a little bit slow and sluggish. So right now it is about 8 a.m. So I probably won't get another transaction before the 8:30 a.m. time, which I use for my time frame. Let me see if it's going to show it down here with the transaction. Okay, so the last transaction was around 6:28 a.m. this morning. And 2.5 hours after that will probably be around 9 o'clock, which would be past the time that I would do my for me to add more to it. And you can also look at your stats. Some people do it different. I do mine different as well because of the time I got started and when I got started. So I just decided to do mine at a different time. You can also come here and look at the income stats. Now this is going to show a different number to my chart because of the time frame that I start and stop. So you come over here and see it's starting to be $100 days every day. You're already at close to $40 for it today. You ended off, well, this particular, looks like the time stops at midnight on the way they calculate it on the COTPS website. So at midnight, around midnight sometime, it was $132 profit. It was 116, 122, 107, 113, right at 99. And that's what the system does because of the time frame that it uses. Now let's put in my calculations for my particular time frame that I use, which is 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. 41.57, 157, and that's going to be $151 according to what I have here. And let's go ahead and put out this handy dandy calculator. We're going to do the 157. We're going to divide that by the 41.57. I'm sorry, 151. Let me go back on that. That's 151. We want to divide that by the, erase that, 157 divided by 4157, and we're going to come to 3.77%. Now I'm going to address something. I'm probably not going to address it again after this video. And I've noticed in my comment section there have been different conversations going on, which is fine. Everybody has their will to speak, has freedom of speech. But I noticed I had one guy who was in the comments talking about the system is a scam. It's paying for now, but it's a scam. I don't remember hearing anybody, as far as I know, that's making videos claiming that this system is going to be around forever. I don't remember hearing anybody making any videos saying that the system, you put your money in and you're going to make $1,000 tomorrow. Everyone that I've been listening to has been saying the program is a risk, and I've said it as well, that the program is a risk. It's kind of like, it's like most investments. You put something in, you get something out. Sometimes you invest in it and you lose. I put money in crypto, and I use the app Coinbase. And I've actually lost more money in the Coinbase app than I have in a COTPS system because the COTPS system does not give us negative trades. Coinbase, because of the whichever crypto you're using, is going to go up and it's going to go down. And at the time I put my my money into the crypto that I was using, I think it was Bitcoin at the time, but that was right before Bitcoin took this huge fall. So it showed me in the app, okay, you lost $300 on this particular crypto. So I've lost more money in the crypto app than I have this, which is also a risk. If you can do this thing called yield farming, that's a risk. Affiliate marketing, that's a risk. SMMA, that's a risk. Amazon FBA, that's a risk. Anything you get yourself involved in, it's going to be a risk that you can lose money. Even when you buy these courses are a risk. 100% of the people that buy courses, they don't make money. A lot of people buy the course and for whatever reason they don't even use the course. They just buy it and they forget about it. I mean, I'm not sure why they do that. Why would you spend your money on something and not want to invest yourself into it? But, I guess it is what it is. But I just wanted to say that because there's some certain things going on in the comment section I just wanted to address for a quick second. That was one. And another one is, I've had two people ask me in the comment section, I don't know if it's the same person who created a different account, who's asking me to kind of give me a situation about how he needs money, and he's in a situation where he needs money. I'm in a situation where I don't know if I ever told you guys, I have 6 kids, so I'm not just doing this for the love of it. I have financial needs, I have financial obligations. I'm a truck driver, I'm over the road, and I make a living. So I'm taking the money that I'm earning, the extra money. I'm not taking my my money for bills and other things and putting it into the system. I'm taking the extra money that I have and the spare money I have after I pay my bills, and I put money into other things so I can get a return on it. And that's what most people are doing. I don't think anyone's just trying to take money and just throw it in there. I'm not telling any of you guys to go get a loan, to swipe your credit card, to go get a payday loan, or just go do any of that other foolishness that I've heard people say in the past. If you don't have it, you don't have it. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing. I mean, I gave away money maybe a couple of weeks ago for people who decided to join, and that was something that I decided at the time. If I do it again, then I'll probably make a video explaining that I'll do that. But if you come in the comment section and say, "Oh, I need money," and if I see the comment, I'll comment and let you know how I feel. But I mean, I'm not just giving away money just to give away money. We all have needs. We all have financial obligations. We all have things that we want to do in our lives. And that's the reason why we're here. We want to make our lives better. We want to be financially secure. We want to do things in our lives that maybe our parents weren't able to do, or maybe we want to do on our own. We have goals that we want to achieve. So I just wanted to say that for those two situations about the people talking about the scam. And of course, there's going to be videos out there of people making this scam. And that's fine. I'll watch those videos as well just to see what people are saying. But I'm not going to focus on that anymore after today. Let's move right along to the rest of the video. Let's see. Okay. Now, guys, of course, if you do want to join, there's going to be a link down below. I use Linktree as of right now. So you can click on the Linktree. It's going to take you to a site. You just click on COTPS, and it will take you to the exact page you need to get to join the COTPS system. Now, the minimum to join is $9. You can put in more than $9, but you can't put in less. So if you do decide, it's going to be on your own accord. Please be accountable, guys, for your own actions, because I can only put in what I can afford to put in. You can only put in what you can afford to put in. It's what I would suggest, is what you would do. Now, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only saying this because of course, there's always someone who doesn't see, who doesn't hear that particular part of videos, but you have to take into consideration that your own accord, that if I put money in, that it's going to be a risk that I can lose money. It's going to be a chance that something could happen. I may wake up tomorrow and the site, I may not be able to log in. So that's a risk that not just you are taking, but everyone online that's in the system is taking. It's not just you, it's multiple people. I've seen accounts of people who had $500,000. I've seen accounts of people who had close to $1 million. I haven't seen them make a video in a while, so I'm assuming that their accounts is probably at $1 million because they actually referred quite a bit of people into their into the system underneath them. So this system is here. How long, I don't know. I also have a comment say who thinks they would hope it is here to stay, and I hope so. I would hope so as well. I do hope the system stays around long enough to impact the lives of those who are in it, to impact those who decide to take a chance on a COTPS system. I would hope that would stay around long enough to assist us who decided to make it a part of our lives. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to give me the LNS special. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Try to get to 500 subs by the end of the month. I appreciate you guys. I'm out.